Hello, this is Blue Diamond Coasters, and I'm here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg for the media day of Loch Ness Monster, the legend lives on. This is the refurbishment of Loch Ness Monster that Busch Gardens did over the off season. They replaced a lot of the track and then also added a bunch of new theming elements, and they invited me along with the rest of ACE to come out and check out the ride and help the film crews that are coming in later. So we're going to be heading on in a little bit and checking out the ride. Yeah, if you didn't know, one kind of ace fact with Loch Ness Monster is that the very first CoasterCon 1, was held in honor of the opening of Loch Ness Monster. Here in the queue, they got some little board of stuff. I can already see some Easter eggs. I mean, here you can see the Old Country Tavern, to reference the original name of the park as the Old Country. Big Bad Wolf. Oh, that's cool. Starring Ronald Toomer. As a reference to Ron Toomer, he's a designer at Arrow that designed a lot of the coasters, including Drachenfire. I know he did. I think he did Big Bad Wolf too. So one of the new thematic elements they've added is this little statue here. I shouldn't say little, because he's actually a pretty big statue of the Loch Ness Monster. And what's kind of cool is that when you're going through, the drop here, leading up through a loop, it's kind of like blocked. You can't really see it. So you don't see it until you're like right there. And my first ride in it earlier, I got really taken off guard by him. But yeah, really cool that they kind of added this here. And it even makes a noise as you pass by. Okay, just been on Loch Ness Monster. I think I'm at like 6 or 7 rides so far, just because they keep on needing us to fill the train for the news crews that are here. And overall, yeah, I'm really liking the refurbishments they did to this ride. I mean, the track is much smoother. I think they also did like a lot of new paint jobs, so it really pops with that yellow. But I'm a sucker for theming, and this ride has some pretty decent theming. There's the cool statue by the bottom of the second loop, but then there's also a lot of nice effects and screens in the cave itself, which is a really cool addition to have. I know some people are complaining that, you know, use of screens, oh, screens, no animatronics. I think the screens are really nice, and I'd much rather have screens than nothing at all. But now with this refurb, I think Loch Ness Monster is now a ride that I want to really try to make sure I do every time I'm here at Busch Gardens. A few previous visits I kind of skipped out on it because I kind of want to focus on some of the other rides. But with the new refurbishments they've done, this is a must ride every single time. So that does it here for the media day of Loch Ness Monster, Legend Lives On. Just wanted to say thank you to Busch Gardens Williamsburg for having us out here. Thank you to Ace for setting this event up. I got in a bunch of rides today. I think I'm now up to 9 rides on Loch Ness Monster. And like I said earlier, it's a really great ride that I definitely want to ride every time I come to Busch Gardens from now on. So to wrap up the video, make sure you do the usual. If you like this video, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to see other videos in the near future. Make sure to also follow at Blue Diamond Coasters on both Instagram and TikTok. And until next time, this is Blue Diamond Coasters. Later.